Lego Shred originally started as HV Shred in 2007. It was started by Jeff Popo and Judith Popo, and then in 2015 I joined them. The business at that time was doing about $300,000 in business, and today it's doing $3 million. We currently are operating in Wappingers Falls, New York, West Haven, Connecticut, and here in Deer Park. We have 10 shredding trucks and 1 hard drive truck, and so we've continually just kept moving the needle to growth. I'm always trying to find the next best thing that we can do. We have a saying here, and the saying is remind people what great service looks like. And for us, it's about showing up on time and being there and doing the job that they expect. I don't think that would be possible if we didn't have the right technology. That's the whole point of having good software, is knowing that you have something that solves the problem, not creates new ones. Because of that, we chose WorkWave. With WorkWave, our guys have mobile apps that they're able to go out on the street and take signatures, and everything is electronic, and it works really well for us.
The mobile app is actually great. We love it because it actually has everything routed for us. So instead of the technicians calling me, asking me questions, they're able to look at the mobile app, get all the information they need.
In any business, if you're not focused on the metrics, you're not going to be able to become more profitable. And one of the things that WorkWave has given to us is it gives us the information, the data that we need to make those good choices. We use that information on what we'll call our scoreboard that we keep here at the office, and it tells our employees a little bit about everything that they're doing. It helps us to hold ourselves accountable. WorkWave has done that for us.
When we started using WorkWave, our routes were all over the place. We had a bunch of trucks going to the same building a couple of times. Being able to use WorkWave for the routing, I'm able to do the routing efficiently, get the drivers on the road, get all the jobs done for the day, and keep all of our customers. The optimization cuts hours out of my day. WorkWave definitely makes my day more efficient.
We have a staff here that takes the time to make sure that our customers are well taken care of, and people are starting to notice. I think we have now over 500 Google reviews, all positive reviews. We're getting on average 10 to 20 reviews a day coming just because of WorkWave, whereas before we were doing maybe 1 or 2. I love to grow. I love creating a business that progresses into something else, it morphs into something bigger, and we have been expanding into new industries. WorkWave has been a huge piece of our growth. We have a plan for our future growth with WorkWave to add on 3 other locations. I don't think that would be possible if we didn't have the right technology, and WorkWave has been that for us.